Hey you guys, back with another video. I'm here making the chicken sausage stir fry. Now let's just jump right into it. These are the ingredients you're gonna need. I'm using some chicken apple pre-cooked sausage. This is from Kroger. Got some mushrooms here. We're gonna need carrots, red bell pepper, cabbage, garlic, and onion. And I'm also gonna be using some ginger paste, some stir fry sauce, and some sesame seeds. And I'm gonna be making some jasmine rice on the side. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to learn how we make a chicken stir fry. All right, let's get into it. Peace. I know I always show myself chopping the vegetables, but for this particular recipe, I wanted to show you how I cut my carrots. All right, I want long little strips for the stir fry, so I'm gonna cut them in half like this. Cut them lengthwise first, and then cut little strips like that. That's how I want my carrots to look for my dish. If I say the word stir fry one more time, oh my goodness. Okay, now I got all my strips. Gonna cut some onion up. I'm gonna throw these right on top of the carrots because they're gonna go in at the same time. Okay, for your mushrooms, I'm just gonna roughly chop them. I like chunky mushrooms, so I don't mind having them in big chunks. And I did rinse them really well before cutting them. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my bell pepper. Easiest way to cut a bell pepper is you cut the top off here, cut the bottom here, make one little slice like that, and then go around and cut the core out. There. All right, that's pretty. I have my cabbage here. Let me give it a quick rinse. I want my cabbage to be in like little strips. Then I'm going to cut them in half this way so they can be shorter. I think I'm going to use maybe 2.5 sausages. One. I like how they come, like if you just want to take one out, you know, it still seals the other part. See, I took 2 out. And if you look, it's sealed, so the other 2 are still airtight. Now I don't know if I want to open the other 2. Let me see what 2 looks like. I want them kind of thin. I'm trying to eat more vegetables and I'm trying to eat less meat. My goal is to be like on a full vegetarian diet because meat is very high in cholesterol, especially red meat, and that's what clogs your arteries. So I know if I was a vegetarian eating nothing but vegetables, I would feel a lot better knowing my blood is flowing freely. I mean, that's just what I think. I don't know if meat really does clog your arteries, but I know it's high in cholesterol. All right, now let's go to the frying pan. You're gonna want to put some olive oil, let that heat up for a second. I'm gonna start off by adding my sausage. Okay, if I spray it, I'm gonna let this cook on medium-high until they're crispy. Now I'm ready to add the bowl of vegetables that I have here: red bell pepper, the onion, and carrots. Just throw them right in there. That looks so good. I'm gonna add some minced garlic, a little less than a teaspoon. right in the middle. I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger paste. Squeeze a little bit in there. I'm pretty sure ginger paste is gonna go a long way, so you don't want to add too much. Okay, now I'm going to add some of the stir fry. That should be enough. That's like a tablespoon. And I'm gonna add my mushroom. Now for the cabbage. I'm gonna go ahead and cook some jasmine rice on the side. I'm gonna top the rice with some of the stir fry. 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cup of water. I'm just gonna use the water here that I've been pulling out of. Okay. I'm gonna bring that to a boil before adding the rice in. Just look at all the vegetables you're going to be eating by making this. I'm going to go ahead and add more of the stir fry sauce because really this is what gives it the flavor. Add 1 cup of rice in here. I like this bag of jasmine rice. Brand is because it comes with an easy pour pouch. You see? Easy pour pouch. How convenient. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a loud video. I just realized the frying is probably louder than my talking. Water is boiling. I'm just going to pour my 1 cup of rice into the 1.5 cup of water. Don't want to stir the rice. I'm just kind of evening it out. And it is returning to boil. Put the lid on it and simmer it for 15 minutes. Why would I always do that? 1500 timer. Okay. This is ready. I should have started on the rice first, I guess. Alright. Cheers. I find that it's easier to drink water when I have a straw in it. I wonder why the numbers look like that through the lens of a camera. Okay, the rice is done. It's 5:21. Let's give this rice a taste. Now we're going to put some of the stir fry on it. Just going to press it right in there. Add some soy sauce to it. It's completely optional. Just put a little bit. I'm going to add some sesame seeds. This is also optional. Hey guys, some rice, carrots, sausage, Some mushroom. Okay, let's try it. Definitely taste the ginger paste, and it's good. If you don't like the taste of ginger, just don't put it in. One more bite and then I'm gonna end this video. Cheers, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified next time we upload a new video. If you try this recipe, please comment down below. Let me know how it came out. Let me know how you like it. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.